Uy, antok ka. Magkape ka kaya ulit muna.
Okay naman na ako. Nagkape na ako kanina eh. Napuyat lang talaga ako kagabi dahil nagbabantay ako ng sales order sa application ko kagabi.
Kaya pala online ka pa kagabi.
Oo.
Parang yung IBM Instana, di ba yun yung observability platform ni IBM?
Guys, actually, may friend ako from IBM nagbebenta ng product na yan. Yung nabanggit niya, si Instana daw, it monitors and detects issues before pa mag-cause nung outage. Like, yung parang ginagawa nga ni Dennis.
Like, kung may backup ako or e-commerce site na mabagal or nagkaka-error.
Yes.
I think si Instana alerts the team agad, di ba? Para maayos.
Agree.
Tsaka kung mapapansin nyo, businesses avoid downtime. Kasi downtime means loss of productivity, loss of sales, and loss of trust.
Every time kasi nagta-transfer tayo ng pera online, libawa, nag-order din tayo ng food online or nagbubook tayo ng flight, somewhere behind the scenes, si Instana kasi, it ensures that all of those applications run smoothly.
Sino bang gusto ng
Yun
delay
ang
sa transaction?
Oo. Ay, maganda pala yan si Instana kasi kapag may system na naglalam ng smooth, yung digital economy natin, keeps moving. Yung more uptime, more transaction, and more confidence.
Dati manual monitoring lang lahat. Yung tipong tatawag pa tayo ng IT guy na, uy, ba tayo mag-loading ng application natin? Or
sa mga DevSecOps.
If someone notices na, minsan yung sobrang laki na ng damage.
Tsaka huli na.
Too late na talaga.
Laki na yung damage.
Pero with IBM Instana din pala, parang may AI-powered assistant siya. Kumbaga, uma-adapt siya sa modern time, no? Meron ng AI assistant na it automatically detects even yung mga smallest anomaly in the system nila bago pa man yun mag-cause ng problem.
So, parang preventive maintenance. Pero sa software.
Yes.
Hindi na need maghintay na may sumabog bago kumilos, no?
Yes.
Saka, I guess si Instana doesn't just monitor, di ba? It analyze yung kung ano yung nangyayari sa loob ng system natin, like sa front end or sa back end, or even yung sa mga microservices and yung mga containers.
Halos lahat ng businesses natin, cloud-based na. So, kailangan natin ng visibility sa lahat ng layers. Ang mangyayari kasi, binibigyan tayo ni Instana ng full picture para alam natin kung saan nagmula yung issue.
Kita lahat, no?
Oh, diba? Para alam mo kung saan ka magre-respond.
So, and tama ba? Real-time insights means faster troubleshooting?
Yes.
So, ibig sabihin, yung dati na hours or days bago mahanap yung root cause, minutes na lang.
Even seconds. Even seconds ngayon.
Nagiging less stress na siya sa mga IT teams natin, di ba? And more confidence na siya for our customers. Kasi, di ba, sa digital world, performance is everything.
That's why IBM and Instana isn't just kasi a tool, no? It's like having a super reliable teammate members sa operations mo, sa business mo. One that never sleeps, parang guardia, never panics, and always deliver insights that you can trust.
So maybe next time, pag magbo-browse tayo, mag-order online, or mag-login sa application, remember, somewhere out there, we know that Instana is awake, keeping everything running smoothly, right?
Yes.
Tapos yun, ano?
And that's a wrap-up for this episode. Once again, I'm Vince.
I'm Eva.
And I'm Dennis, and this is Tech Tambay
With
Got
your
Pak!
We hope you guys enjoyed today's episode and sana may natutunan kayo about IBM's amazing and powerful products.
Please like, share, and follow.
Stay curious, stay protected, and be vigilant.
Tambay lang pero techie. This is Tech Tambay.